Hey, I'm Owen from the Azure Monitor Log Analytics team. In this video, we will talk about the Azure Advisor recommendations and how they can assist you to achieve more when using Azure Log Analytics. We in Azure Monitor are committed to assist you in optimizing your budget allocations, making informed decisions about monitoring options, and discovering features and configurations that enable you to get more out of your infrastructure. We've implemented a number of recommendations that impact costs, and we're adding more recommendations related to cost saving, performance, and security. When going to the overview pane of your Log Analytics workspace, go to Recommendations, and here you can see all of the recommendations that were raised for your resource. For instance, you can see the Consider Change Pricing tier recommendations was raised. If you will drill down, you will be able to see how to fix the issue in a click, or read more and educate about the issue. Once fixed, the recommendation will be automatically closed and resolved. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. For more details, check out the documentations. Thank you.